Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1. Inflation in the United States for June. The headline and core CPI figures for the United States for the month of June are scheduled for release on Wednesday. It's projected that core CPI numbers will fall to 5.9%, while the headline CPI figure is expected to remain above the 8.6% rate from last month. The Federal Reserve will further tighten monetary policy if inflation rises, which could boost the dollar's short and medium-term bullish momentum. Number 2, the Bank of Canada's decision on interest rates. The Bank of Canada is coming into this week's meeting after 3 straight rate hikes of 50 basis points, but inflation statistics haven't eased. Economists are still debating whether the Bank of Canada will be able to hike interest rates anymore without leading to the country to undergo a recession. The Canadian dollar is currently trading at its lowest level in 2022, and we'll have to wait and see how the Bank of Canada responds to this present situation. Number 3, the New Zealand interest rate decision. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand is in a similar situation to the Bank of Canada, but it is a little worse. As of this writing, inflation in New Zealand is around 6.9%, while interest rates are now at 2%. A further increase in interest rates by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand could push the New Zealand dollar to new highs against most major currencies, though falling commodity prices remain a headwind. Number 4, earnings announcements that are most important to investors in the US stock market. The banking sector is expected to make some important earnings announcement next week. JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley and Citigroup's second quarter results could be among the most market-moving announcements. The results will be closely monitored by investors for the long-term management of portfolios, as well as to get a feeling about the health of US economy. Number 5, Bitcoin challenging support levels around 20,000. Bitcoin price action around 20,000 will be a hot topic among crypto traders this week. In the previous week, those levels were shattered, but it wasn't long before Bitcoin recaptured them. Whether this big round number holds or breaks could have a major psychological impact on the overall performance of the crypto markets. Of course, as always, you can click on the link in the description below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and the consensus expectation for this time. But for now, thanks everyone, good luck trading this week, and remember to give a quick smash of that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.